Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the perfect ramen tutorial, like a restaurant version of it. Actually, I made this ramen recipe video and many people loved this video. But I hate it because it was my very first video. I was kind of too nervous because I was not a person who enjoyed standing in front of the camera. The way I speak English is so weird, so I don't like it. But Claire really likes that video.
Yes, I do.
Because she can make fun of me. Whenever she feels down, she watched it like 10 times. 안녕하세요. Welcome to A's Kitchen. I'm Aaron. I can't stand it because I can't hear the sound from the iPad. So please stop watching that video for me. Alright? Anyway, I'm gonna remake ramen tutorial video today. Let's get started. I guess everybody has had ramen with a cup noodle, right? Because it is a very simple way to eat and all you need to do is just pouring the hot water into cup. Many people had a good experience with the cup ramen, so some of them try to make this ramen, which is called 봉지 ramen. But most of them failed to make perfect ramen and they never look back this type of ramen, even if it's so much more delicious and cheaper. So today I'm gonna show you how to make Korean ramen more deliciously, like a restaurant version. Just follow my lead. Okay, first of all, you need to read a direction at the back. This is very important. If you follow the direction, you never fail. Trust me. And when you make ramen, you need to use a thin pot, just like this. This thin, shiny pot is called 양은 냄비, but I still don't know what it's called in English. Anyways, if you use thin pot, it's gonna boil very quickly. So the texture of the noodles will be better. This time, let's prep the ingredient. I feel very weird because there is only one ingredient to prepare. There's only green onion. Okay, slice some green onion, like this. The most important thing is the amount of water. According to the direction, we need 550 milliliter of water. So please follow the direction if you want to have delicious ramen. When the water starts to boil, you need to put the minced garlic and these 2 packets of flake and powder. If you don't have garlic in your fridge, you can skip it. Don't worry about it. I guess now you are wondering why I don't put the noodles first. The reason why I put the powder and flakes first is that when the water is mixed with something else, the boiling point of water goes up. The water will be hotter than 100 Celsius degree and it makes the better texture. It's science. When the broth starts to boil again, put the noodles and we need to boil this for 3 minutes. Grab some noodles and expose the cold air for 3 minutes. This is the secret of the better texture. After 3 minutes, you gotta take the noodles out from the pot first. After that, what you need to do is preparing the egg. And dump the green onion and the egg. And then nicely mix it up. And you need to boil for 30 more seconds. Now I'm gonna pour the soup into the bowl. This is it. Smells incredible, as always. Now Claire's time.
I'm gonna taste and evaluate it like a very strict judge. Smells good. Mix it up a little bit. Stay calm. Evaluate it.
What do you say? Can you
Wow.
say perfect?
To be honest, I was a little bit full before I have this, so I didn't feel like eating any food. But to be honest, it's nice. I think you guys should follow his lead. Good.
This is perfect ramen tutorial, and if you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And I'll see you in the next video.